That's that Rust-Oleum paint there. That's that light gray. I'm gonna go with that. You know, it's experimental. Just saying. You know, it's gonna run backwards. You know, it's gonna be a hit and miss engine. The head's done turned upside down. You know what? Exhaust out the top and intake at the bottom right there. You know, the gas tank's gone. You know, so what's modified? Well, yeah, just kind of about any job shop. You know, normal fare, I'd say. At least a little cleanup there. To the point there where it might be able to function. Yeah, you know, as a job shop, you know, get her done. That's what I'm talking about. From here, Middle Tennessee. You know, the geographical center or something, I'm sure. Shop dogs and. Oh yeah, hey, wait a minute, I'll show you something. Y'all watch this. I'm just saying, you know, for real. Thank you now. All's well. All the way from Wheatfield was my afterthought. Cool, man. Hey, y'all watch this. Okay? Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm using this camera. Just think about this right here. This is brilliant. I wish I should have thought of this before, but I'm up to it now. So everything's gonna be cool from now on. But I can actually use this camera as a mirror. You know, there's a little thing there you can mash. It's a camera with a circle around it, two arrows going sideways. I'm just saying, if you've got one of these smartphones with a camera on it, you can mash that thing down there and it'll turn your camera around and you can see yourself in it. Got a tip for the day from here, Middle Tennessee. Shop dogs. Just saying. Yeah, okay, wait a minute. I'll tell you something else you can use this camera too. You know, if you taped it up on your handlebars right there on your motorcycle, you could tape this right here up on your mirror. Oh, I should have did that too. You can see what's behind you right here. Man, is that cool or not? Well, I'm talking about technology. Gosh, faster than the speed of light. That's what I'm saying. Okay. I'll show y'all something. It's gonna be a hit and miss engine. I've been working on it for a few days. Coming around. It's an old international type igniter engine, 1/2 horsepower. Type M when it was new. I put the exhaust coming out the front yonder and carburetor mixer coming up in the bottom where the exhaust used to be. And I put a spark plug in there where that igniter was at one time. And I made a new push rod there, and I cut that off, and I drilled a couple of holes in it. Put the engine together in Arkansas, if y'all remember. Been in queue back there. Time to get it running. So it's up to this configuration. It was meant to be real primitive with them square keystock rocker arms. Made the mixer out of a pipe fitting there, some brass. Turned the thing on the lathe right there. So we'll get it put together. Oh yeah, did I mention it's going to run backwards? The flywheels is going to turn in a different rotation. I'm just telling you now, when we get ready to start it, you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm here in Middle Tennessee. Let's get on with the show. Well, I have to get an oiler on there. I'll bring one up from the parts department. For real. And some weights. And we'll start this up in a couple of days. Oh yeah, forgot to tell you, I done took the gas tank out of the bottom right there, and I'll put a little gas tank down here where the skids is going to be on the cart. I'll put a little small fuel tank down there. Yeah, just saying.